Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2008 Honda Shadow 750 Spirit Edition. This motorcycle has just over 7,000 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. This bike doesn't show any type of tip-over damage, does have a few scuffs on it from being ridden. Tires are in good shape, got some miles left on them. Comes with a Daymaker style headlight, a clear quick release windscreen, highway bars, saddlebags, as you can see kind of on the tank here, there's a few scuffs. Same here on the tail. I don't know, maybe they don't show up real well on the camera. And again, rear tire got some life left in it, so. And again, saddlebags, lockable. And then highway bars. So like, here's a little scratch right here. So, again, minor small stuff. Still a good looking motorcycle. And again, the highway bars. $7,030 is what's on it. This 2008 Honda Shadow Spirit 750 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it has been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.